Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do a balloon ladybug. Alright, so to get, these are the materials that you need. You need a 6-inch red color heart balloon. Heart balloon does the best compared to round. And you're going to take a white 5-inch for the eyes, black 260, this is for the body, and yellow 260 for the feelers, and lastly a black marker to draw the eyes on the round balloons. So let's get started with the red heart balloon. So inflate it up almost all the way. Okay, tie it up. So you tie it not towards the balloon, so it's secure. You see it's really very tough. Kind of shake the heart shape a little. So what I do is I push this part down a little to shape the heart shape a little more. Alright. Next we're gonna get our 260 black over here. Gonna inflate it. Just a little bit will do. Tie it up. So we'll be doing 2 pinch twists. So 1 bubble, 2 bubbles. So 1 bubble, 2 bubbles. Lock them together. The nozzle, wrap them around the middle. And hold 1 pinch twist. 1 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. And you have 2 pinch twists like this. Alright, next we're going to be doing bubbles. So 1 bubble. We're going to do 5 bubbles in total. 1 bubble, 2 bubbles, 3 bubbles, 4 bubbles, and 5 bubbles. Alright, so we're going to lock them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock them together. And the excess, we're going to stir it by tying it around the pinch twist. Alright, don't destroy this first. We're going to use it to tie it to the body. So you can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles. The third one in the middle, we're going to do a pinch twist. So pull it and twist. Alright, so that's a pinch twist. So this part over here, we're going to take a scissors and snip off the top and let the air out. Like this. You can see it's a flat balloon, but still attached to the pinch twist over here. Next we're going to get our heart-shaped balloon. I'll tie it into the pinch twist over here. And I'll hide it roughly around here in the bubbles. Tie it over here. Alright. You can see the heart shape is secured. The pinch twist. Next, we're going to take the balloon. We're going to really tightly wrap it around the heart shape. Remember just now, I kind of shaped down the heart shape over here. This is also to make sure that you'll hold the 260 black nicely as well. So we're gonna do it. Take the balloon, wrap it really tightly around, and remember the pinch twist that we did just now? We'll tie it into the pinch twist So a few rounds, 4 to 5 rounds. And then the remaining over here, don't burst it as well. We're gonna take the tip over here. We'll tie it into this piece. We'll tie a few rounds as well, alternating between the pinch twist. And you have something that is very loose over here. Alright. Then next, we'll be using our 5-inch round balloon. Gonna inflate it up. Gonna be doing the eyes. We're gonna be doing the eyes right now. Let go a little bit. Roughly around this size. Now tie it up. Then we're gonna take our index fingers, hold it over here, like this, around the knot, and our thumbs underneath, like this. So index fingers over here, thumb underneath. We're gonna squeeze until we have two bubbles. As you can see, I'm squeezing it. Squeeze again. Alright, now we're gonna make sure the size is roughly the same. And twist it. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise. Don't let go yet. If you let go, you'll just go back to its round shape. Okay. Carefully take this nozzle over here. Tie it back to your pinch twist. So this is the bottom. I'm going to tie it at the top over here. Tie in the top. So as I said, I'm going downwards, going back up into the eye. And if it's still too loose, you can go back down to the mouth again and go back up to the eyes again. So make sure the eyes is really secure, because we don't want the eyes to move as we are drawing on the eyes later, and if it's really shaky and loose, the eyes might be a little bit weird after we draw it. Alright, so we're almost done. We're going to be doing the feelers. The drawing will be at the last part. Getting our 260 yellow. Inflate it. And let go. Sorry, just need a little bit over here as we are separating them into two. So tie it up. Alright. So we have this sausage over here. Just split into equal parts. So twist it a few rounds, so make sure it doesn't go back. Then carefully use one hand to hold on to the top one. Index lightly grabbing like this, not dead, just lightly holding it like this, and the thumb supporting over here. Just hold it like this. Next, the 3 fingers underneath, and hug it like this. Then we're gonna squeeze it with our palms and the 3 fingers. But this index and this thumb, it's still loose. Alright, it's still loose, the air can still pass through. And as you squeeze it, you should hear a sound like this. Can you hear it? The poop, poop sound. If your balloon is coming out gradually like this, like if I squeeze it and it comes out like this is wrong. Alright? Like this, this is the wrong method. Like this. It should be like this. Should have this sound. Alright? Next, once you achieve this, we're going to be folding the deflated balloon in half, like this. Same thing, I'm not applying any pressure, just holding it and leaving just the tip exposed. As you can see, it's all covered. And if you squeeze it, you should come out at the top. Can you see it? Alright, squeeze it all the way. After you squeeze it all the way, hold this part over here with your thumbs and index, left hand. Hold it tight. Don't let the air go back down, alright? Yeah, something like this. Then, carefully, try to equalize the pressure inside. So this part over here, just squeeze it a little bit. Squeeze a little bit. So as you can see, if you're squeezing it right, this part over here will inflate a little. Alright, so we're equalizing the pressure. So the both of them won't go back and forth. Alright? Put them next to each other. Now pull this part over here. So this is the center point. So be tying it into the pinch twist, downwards, upwards, like this. So after you're done with this, you take the nozzle on the right, twist one round around the right eye, and the nozzle on the left, we're going to use it, and twist one round around the left eye. So this will secure the nozzle, secure the feelers into the eyes, so it doesn't move away. Alright, so give it a tuck. And it should stay in place like this. And if you don't like the nozzle over here, you can snip it off, definitely. Let's take a scissors and snip it off. Maybe nicely. Alright, the last part we'll be doing the drawing. So usually I'll draw the eyes. So there's a few ways to draw it, but my favorite way is just to do two round circles. Like this, one round. So if this is too boring for you, you can do a wink. So a wink will be something like this. So winking ladybug. If you want to look a little bit more female for the girls, you can add some eyelashes on the round eye. Alright, next we'll be drawing the spots. Usually I just do a few black circles. Different sizes. There you go. So let me cover up the marker first. And remember this round part over here? It's actually for you to wear it on your wrist. So it looks something like this on your wrist. Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you have learned something new today. And if you have any balloon sculptures that you wish to learn, please let me know down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to teach them. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.